Have you ever gotten a love letter? That's what I call the letters I get from the IRS or the Illinois Department of Revenue. Recently, I received a letter from the Illinois Department of Revenue stating in bold, "We have removed the fraudulent return from your account." A fraudster filed a bogus tax return using my Social Security number as early as January of this year. The goal of the fraudster is to claim an electronic refund for all the taxes that I've paid in through withholding and quarterly estimated tax payments. I would have been more suspicious of this letter if it asked me to go to a site or call a number to take further action. No response was required by me. Since I pay more taxes to the IRS, I was more concerned about the status of the federal 1040. I did alert my CPA, and thankfully for the past several years, we have had a protocol in place for the IRS to require a PIN for accepting my federal return. This will prevent the filing of a bogus return with the IRS. Consult your CPA for counsel on other strategies and if this PIN protocol makes sense for you. There are a lot of phishing scams proliferating through emails and texts. The emails and texts may look like they're from legitimate, well-known big banks or vendors like Amazon. They'll get your attention by saying your account has been locked out or there's been an unauthorized purchase. All the while, it's an operation run by a fraudster. They'll then try to get your Social Security number, personal information, or even your credit card. Unfortunately, during this time, these bad characters are getting more creative, and all the while, people are tired and not alert. There are a lot of unsuspecting people falling prey. Continue to monitor your financial accounts regularly for unusual activity. Contact the credit bureau agencies Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion to review your credit report. You can also freeze your credit report to prevent fraudsters from pulling them. If you're a victim of identity theft, contact the financial institutions you work with and have them red flag your accounts. File a report with the FBI and the Federal Trade Commission. For the clients of Legacy Wealth Advisors who experience identity theft, we offer a complimentary 1-year enrollment with Experian called Identity Works. Experian will do credit monitoring at the credit bureau agencies, give you access to identity restoration specialists, and more. One last tip, put the flag down on your mailbox if you put checks in the mail. Fraudsters drive around looking out for mailboxes with a flag up, which usually contain envelopes with checks you use to pay your monthly bills. The fraudsters will then use the account information on those checks to make their own printed fake checks and draw money from your checking account. You may want to consider using online bill pay or automatic withdrawals for your monthly bills. Just be on guard. If you're interested in receiving a list of proactive steps to safeguard your identity, contact us.